You won't believe how much protein is in this chicken gyros. There is over 80 grams of protein and the macros are insane. In a bowl, add low-fat Greek yogurt, lemon juice, the seasonings listed on screen, garlic mince, mix it together, add your thinly cut chicken breast, then coat it and set it to the side. And for the tzatziki, all you need to do is mix together yogurt, garlic mince, dill, grated cucumber, and lemon juice. Now you can either bake, air fry, or grill your chicken, but I placed it on an onion skewer in the oven and shaved off that juicy chicken into smaller pieces. And for the garlic flatbread, all you need is flour, yogurt, and garlic powder. Mix it, knead it with your hands, and then roll it out. Cook it on a pan on high heat for 2 minutes on each side, add some parsley flakes. Now spread half of the sauce on the flatbread, add some tomato, onion, the chicken, the rest of the sauce, top it off with some parsley, and enjoy.